Think about this, a tall banyan tree growing stronger every year, a tiny seed becoming a blooming sunflower, your heartbeat that never stops, even when you are asleep. Have you ever wondered who's silently doing all this work in the background? The answer lies in something we usually ignore: tissues. These tiny, organized group of cells are nature's engineering teams, building, transporting, protecting, and powering both plants and animals. In today's video, we are diving deep into the world of plant and animal tissues with crisp diagrams, relatable examples, and memory tricks that make revision super easy. Whether you are preparing for exams or just curious about biology, this one's for you. Let's unlock the power of tissues.
In simple words, a tissue is a group of similar cells that perform a specific function. While unicellular organisms like amoeba manage everything alone, multicellular organisms divide their work among various tissues. So, in plants and animals, tissues make life possible by organizing cells to do specialized tasks efficiently. Now, what do you understand by the plant tissues and how they are different from the animal tissues? There are mainly two types of tissues present in plants. They are the meristematic tissue and the permanent tissue. Meristematic tissue is the growth tissue. Plants grow because of meristematic tissues which keep dividing. They are of three types: apical meristem, lateral meristem, and intercalary meristem. Apical is found at tips of roots and shoots, which helps in lengthwise growth of the plant. Lateral meristem helps increase width, like tree trunk thickening. And the intercalary one, present at nodes, helps grass regrow after cutting. So this is all about the meristematic tissue. Its main function is for the growth of the plant. And the tissue which stops dividing is the tissue permanent one. Once cells stop dividing, they become permanent tissues. Now, permanent tissue is again of two types: simple permanent and complex permanent. Simple permanent, again there are of three types. They are the parenchyma, collenchyma, and the sclerenchyma. 70% of the simple permanent tissue is the parenchyma, whose function is storage of food and which does photosynthesis. The next one is the collenchyma, which provides flexibility in stems and leaf stalks. Sclerenchyma is the dead, strong, hard like in coconut shells. There is a presence of a pigment called lignin in it. Now let's talk about the complex permanent tissue. The complex permanent tissue is mainly of two types: xylem and phloem. Xylem carries water and minerals from roots to other parts. Phloem transports food from leaves to the rest of the plant. So xylem's main function is water and minerals transport. Phloem's main function is the food transport. So this is all about the plant tissue. Now let's discuss about the animal tissues. So the main tissue present in animals is the epithelial tissue, which is the protective tissue or the covering layer. Just like paint covers a wall, epithelial tissues cover our organs and body surface. So again there are types of epithelial tissue. They are the squamous, cuboidal, columnar, ciliated, glandular. So these are the types of the epithelial tissue. Now what do you understand by the squamous? Its cells are flat, which are present mostly in the skin and lungs. Again it is of two types. Striated one is present in the skin mostly. Cuboidal is present in the kidney tubules. columnar in the intestines, ciliated with hair-like structures in respiratory tract, and the glandular one obviously for the secretion of hormones. So this is all about the epithelial tissue. Now let's discuss about the connective tissue. As the name suggests, it connects the various parts of the body. They are of various types: areolar, adipose, ligament, tendon, cartilage, bone, blood, etc. Areolar is the one which fills the space between the organs. Adipose, it stores the fat. Its main function is storage of fat. Ligament connects bone to bone. Tendon connects muscle to bone. Cartilage is a soft bone in ears, nose, tip of the nose especially, and the larynx. Bone, which is the hard and protective tissue present in our body. Blood is the fluid tissue transporting oxygen, nutrients, etc. So this was all about the connective tissue. The next animal tissue is the muscular tissue, which helps in movement. There are mainly three types of muscular tissue. They are striated muscles, unstriated or smooth muscles, and the cardiac muscles. Striated, their function is mostly voluntary movement, which are present in the arms and legs. Smooth muscles are involuntary. They are present mostly in the internal organs. Cardiac muscles are found mainly in the heart, involuntary, but they are rhythmic. So next one is the nervous tissue, which is the most important one and whose function is control and coordination. So nervous tissue makes you feel, think and react. Neurons send messages throughout your body, helping you respond to everything from a pinprick to emotions. Tissues make the structure and function of both plants and animals possible. Without them, no movement, growth, or even survival would be possible. From the tiny neuron in your brain to the strong sclerenchyma in a seed, tissues are the real MVPs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your classmates. Drop a comment below if you want us to explain the next chapter or create quizzes for your revision.